Okay, I've got my box, got a top, I got a bottom. Let's see if we can figure out how to latch it together. So, if you notice on the competitor container bottom, they have a little hole here, and it's 15 millimeters wide by 3 tall. I'll just use that. And then the little latch thingy, and here's a section detail, I'm sorry, a detail view of this little bit. And I'm looking at this right here. This tiny little bit is 0.3 millimeters. That means this sits a little tiny bit away from this face by 0.3. So I'm going to put that in. So let's see. I'm going to zoom in here. I'm going to sketch on the top face, this guy. And now let's take a look there. I'm going to put that a rectangle here. And that rectangle represents this little bit that comes out here. And so that's, what was that, 15 wide. So that needs to be 15. And let's see if it's, looks like it needs to be 20 from the edge. So I'll dimension that to be 20 from here. And that should do it. Okay. So now I want to just push that out a tiny little bit. So I'll extrude that. And it went 0.3, it said. There's that little bit there. And now, so I'll accept that. So that was this little bump out there. And now let's build this little tab thingy. And so let's make a sketch on this surface. And let's make a rectangle from here. And then I just need that width, and then I can come down however much I want. Let's see what they did over here. They came down 15. So that bit there is 15. So let's do that, 15. Like it's a square. All right, and then they only came out 1.7. Mine broke though on the last one I did at 1.7. I'm gonna do like 2.5 when I extrude that. Actually, I'm gonna go a full 3. Why not? Yeah, nice and solid there. That's a little much, 2.5. All right, now I gotta make that little thing that jabs into there, this guy.